From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10. Presented by Reliance Jio. Powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. New Ford Aspire. Ravin. MP Birla Cement. In style partner Raymond.
Welcome. The Congress is on a suicide mission for a party which has abused the Prime Minister and paid the price for it. There are absolutely no lessons learnt. Today they've come up with a fresh phrase. Let's debate.
These chants greeted Rahul Gandhi this evening in Bengaluru. Hours after his leader hurled the namard insult on the Prime Minister from his rally 600 kilometers away in Kalburgi.
नामर्दों से शादी हो सकती है, नामर्दों से शादी हो सकती है, औलाद नहीं होते, औलाद नहीं होते। मोदी से शादी हो सकते है, औलाद नहीं होते, औलाद नहीं होते। ये काम करने वाला प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं है, ये झूठ बोलने वाला प्राइम मिनिस्टर है। नामर्दों से शादी हो सकती है।
Clearly, this kind of crass and disgraceful abuse by a Congress MLA.
औलाद नहीं होते, नामर्दों से शादी हो सकती है, औलाद नहीं होते। मोदी से शादी हो सकते है, औलाद नहीं होते।
Didn't go down well with the voters of Karnataka. They responded by chanting the Prime Minister's name loudly. Kashmir to Uttar Pradesh dumped by regional bosses, Congress now seems to be on a political suicide mission. But like her brother Rahul Gandhi, even Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's been cruising on the Ganga, seems to be in denial.
हमारा लक्ष्य है कि हम बीजेपी को हटाएं और उनका भी वही लक्ष्य है तो हम साथ साथ इकट्ठे लड़ेंगे.
This cost them in the 2014 general elections.
यहाँ आकर चाय का वितरण करना चाहते हैं तो हम उनके लिए कुछ जगह बना रहे हैं.
This cost them in the 2017 general elections.
मुझको लगता है कि ये आदमी बहुत नीच किस्म का आदमी है.
In 2019, the Congress party is on an abuse spree against the Prime Minister.
हिंदुस्तान का प्रधानमंत्री चोर है.
अनपढ़ गवार के बारे में जान के उनको क्या मिलने वाला है?
Will it cost them in the upcoming general elections? Let's debate.
Fuad Halim of the CPM, please tell Vishal Sharma of the BJP what is the meaning of Namarth in the context of the abuse thrown at the Prime Minister.
Sheer atrocious, nonsense and pathetic.
The word used is Namarth, the Prime Minister's Namarth according to the Congress.
It's exactly. Namarth, the word can be exemplified by Arnab Goswami and your character. You are a Namarth, and you are the person who actually signifies what Namarth means. It epitomizes Namarth.
Okay.
And you don't have to search for any other reason or any other explanation of Namarth once you have Arnab Goswami in front of you. Because that is what the meaning of Namarth is. You know, a person who does not have the capacity to fulfill his fundamental genetic responsibility, and that is, as a journalist, you do not fulfill your responsibilities, and that is the reason why you exemplify and actually bring forward the entire reflection of what Namard means. And that is what you are. You are fundamentally a Namard, Arnab Goswami, and that is exactly where the fight lies today.
Ask Vijay Mallya.
You
Ask
are
Nirav
completely
Modi.
in this
Ask
fight
them
with this
who are running away from the
idea
law.
that you do not
If you
want
want to know about
fulfill
the
your
Mardani of
responsibility.
Modi,
And that's the most
ask those
unfortunate
people
part of it.
who had
The
taken
second
loans
part
under
of
the
it is
Congress
that-
regime.
One sec. I
And
usually,
with an intention of never
all the
returning
I
it.
usually,
Now
I want to
imagine
just
we are
one minute. I
trying
want to say something to, you know, I know that you are, I know that you are a doctor, but are you feeling all right? Fuad, are you feeling all right? Should you need some, you need some medical help?
Imply that the word Namard
Do you need some help?
Understood in a derogatory
One minute,
fashion.
do you need
It's
some
very
help?
Unfortunate
Pradeep,
that the entire
do you need some help?
educated and
Fuad?
intellectual
This is what
discourse
happens to a
of
party which is
understanding
limited to
how
only one or
the
two
third
seats in the
gender
entire
issues
country.
and how that space should be
This is a sign of political frustration.
No, one second.
Which is reflecting as a
No, one second.
behavioral
Viewers, I want to tell you,
attitude.
I want to tell you one thing that, just one sec. I want to tell you, don't steal Fuad's thunder, because viewers, I want to tell you that Fuad, who's on this side, I'll just reduce the volume for a bit, and I want to speak over him for a bit, because I want to explain what's going on here. You are seeing on one side a person called Fuad Halim, and the reason, Pradeep, why you should not speak over Fuad right now is Fuad has spent the whole day practicing this. The whole day he has spent practicing that when I come on Arnab's program, I'm going to vent for 3 minutes. So we must not steal his thunder. Please continue. Continue, Fuad. Whole day is spent in front of a mirror. How am I going to talk at 10 o'clock?
This conspiracy that Arnab, that you are part of, where you do not want to discuss the national
Are you
issue,
feeling all right?
You do not want to discuss issues on
You want to
which
ask
the
some
Prime
people
Minister
around you for some help?
himself embarrassed to talk upon.
No, you want to ask for some
You
help?
do not want to discuss the issues that the Prime Minister is evading because you do not want to fulfill your responsibility
No, one sec.
as a journalist.
But
Nirav Modi has also been arrested. There is a warrant against Nirav Modi also now. Fuad, now you need to remove that from your dictionary which you practice in front of the mirror.
Today, farmer suicides are immaterial to you. It does not touch you.
Vishal.
Your skin is so thick, Arnab Goswami, that farmers who commit suicide do not matter to you. It
Do you have
doesn't
the
matter to
courage
you
to
that
answer the
Prime Minister
question?
of India
Do you have the
lied
courage?
to the nation
What are
when
you
he said
talking?
he's going
Do you
to get
understand
10
what
crore
the level
It
of
doesn't matter
abuses
to
that are
you
being used
that
against the
when
Prime Minister of this
Prime Minister
country?
of India
In no
lies to the
election in this
nation,
world,
the
we see
public
American
sector-
elections.
you know, I'll tell you one thing. One more thing I want to say. You know, Fuad is such a shameless person. Fuad, I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. Just one point. Vishal, let me tell you one more thing about Fuad right now. Not only has he, you see, I'll tell you the reason why he's angry. I'll tell you why he's angry. You see, he did not want to fight the election. He's got a nice kick from the Congress. Congress party has told them, get out. Till yesterday, Fuad was begging the Congress for an alliance in Bengal. Today, he's got a nice kick from the Congress party. He doesn't know what to do, so he's practiced all day on what he's going to say on my show. He's unhappy because he's having to fight an election. He wanted to go out there campaigning for the Congress party candidate. Is it true or not that the Congress gave a statement telling the CPM to buzz off? No, but is it true or not? See, I can understand your frustration. Viewers, this is the reason why he's behaving like this. He's extremely frustrated. He's uncontrollably frustrated today. Fuad, tell the people the truth. Did the Congress kick you out or not? Pradeep, should he tell the truth or not, Pradeep?
Narendra Modi with his performance.
Tell him. No, Pradeep, you know.
He should tell the people of Bengal and people of India what is his ground situation in Bengal.
Talk about what Narendra Modi has done. Arnab Goswami, tell the nation how many jobs has Narendra Modi created.
Fuad, you have. Fuad,
Why are farmers standing behind you in Bengal?
Fuad, it is very sad.
Don't sit in an AC.
Anyway, I'll just tell you. Anyway, I'll just say one thing before I move on I'll go back to the debate with my other panelists, but I'll say one thing to Fuad before I move on. And Fuad, honestly, today I'm thinking, I'm listening to you. Just to reduce the volume, please. I'll say one thing to him. One second. You see, it is extremely, Bhamla, please 1 minute. Bhamla, one second. Today is extremely sad that the son of an extremely cultured and respected man should be speaking like this. The Congress dumped the CPM last night. That is Fuad's problem, not mine. And now I shall go on to the debate. Taslim Rahmani, I go back to you. Let's go back to the debate. Taslim Rahmani, my question is on the use of the phrase namard. Yeah, can you please tell me what you can potentially or possibly hope to gain by calling the Prime Minister namard, since you're supporting this kind of a election campaign? What are these comments all about, and why are they increasing in the run-up to the election? Please tell me. And Fuad, before I move on,
first of all, I want to ask
honest commiserations and to you for being kicked out by the Congress last night. You did try for the alliance. It didn't happen. Don't blame yourself for it. I know how you feel to go into a battle you don't want to fight. But that's your misfortune. Now let's go back to the debate. Taslim Rahmani and Vishal. Taslim and Vishal. Now we go to a serious debate.
You must be happy for that. I know, Arnab, but I want to say that are you really short of issues today that you have picked up a statement, a dirty statement from a person like an MLA?
Vishal.
Your democracy.
Area and you are making
this is such a big issue.
At a national debate.
How can you abuse the Prime Minister of the Republic of India like this?
Of people are talking
how can a political leader abuse his own Prime Minister?
And you are not taking that.
Answer that question. This issue. We should not make Indian democracy a laughing stock in front of the world.
You don't have any
how can you talk about a Prime Minister in this manner? How is that possible?
No, 1 second. I want
the level of the discourse, how low it has fallen.
Whole country is talking. You see, out of 4 lakh people in a poll,
what the issue is namard. Do you know how can you use the word namard for the Prime Minister?
And now the Prime Minister has accepted it himself. That
if you want to know about the mardangi of the Prime Minister, go and ask Masood Azhar. I am sure he has experienced it. If you want to know about the mardangi of the Prime Minister, ask about the terrorists who have been...
No. 1 second. Vishal, I'll tell you one thing. One second. Mr. Rahmani, I want to say something to you. Mr. Rahmani, I want to say something to you. Please listen to me, Mr. Rahmani. Listen to me, Mr. Rahmani. You are lecturing me, and just wait and quietly listen. And by the way, don't do this. I'll tell you, it's a very defensive body posture. Some people are calling me and saying you're folding your hands in an act of defensiveness. Please don't be defensive on my program. Don't be scared. ये जो आपने जो अपने हाथे ऐसे कस के पकड़ी हुई हैं, उससे बड़ा डिफेंसिव लग रहा है. हाथ को नीचे कीजिए प्लीज. टेंशन में मत आइए. मैंने सिर्फ फुआद को कहा ना कि अभी फुआद दुखी है क्योंकि उनको कांग्रेस पार्टी ने डंप किया. भाई किसने बोला था कांग्रेस के पीछे भागते रहो. अब क्या करें हम? He's got dumped by the Congress. He's taking his frustration out on my show. Chalo, let's go back to the serious debate.
How happy you are?
The fact of the matter is, there are two issues here. First is Congress party. No, to all the women in the country and all men and women in India should seek an apology from Rahul, because namard is such a sexist abuse. As if iska assumption kya hai? Assumption is there is nothing better in the world than being mard. Mard is great, and anybody who's not a mard is useless. This is the language. But people like Fuad Halim, despite being kicked by the Congress party, cannot question that issue. I feel bad for him that even after being kicked by the Congress, he is still running after the Congress party. He is still hoping they will campaign for him in his constituency. Anyway, let me go on the issue.
Mard bano.
Now I tell you one thing. What is mard bano? What does mard bano mean? What is mard bano mean?
The genesis of the Me Too mentality.
What does mard bano mean?
This is exactly the genesis of the Me Too mentality.
No, I hate that word mard bano. What do you mean mard bano?
Whole India speaks.
The whole India talks like that.
The whole India speaks this phrase. I'm just reminding you.
No. So I'm asking you.
So many times. You must have used it so many times.
Viewers,
don't forget that.
No, Pradeep, 1 minute. 10:15 p.m. Please note, viewers. The Congress Party and its supporters have said that the campaign for 2019 will be मर्द बनो. तो सब औरतों के पास जाके आप बोलिए हमारा campaign statement है मर्द बनो. What is this मर्द बनो campaign? You should apologize to everyone. जो मर्द नहीं है वो क्या है? क्या बोल नहीं? You say all of India talks like this? No. All of India does not talk like this. You first apologize. Vishal, you apologize. What do you mean by मर्द बनो? No, Vishal, तस्लीम रहमानी apologize. ये मर्द बनो कह रहे हैं. ये opposition का campaign है मर्द बनो. नरेंद्र मोदी नामर्द मर्द बनो. ये है इनका campaign.
Go to the dictionary. You go to the dictionary.
You know, one of the strongest leaders in the world have been women.
And see, that Mard Bano is a phrase, is a common phrase used in India.
What is the meaning of Mard Bano?
Used in India. That's what I said. And you must have used it hundreds of times. You
झांसी की रानी क्या मर्द थी?
Hundreds of times.
झांसी की रानी
ये मर्द बनो.
I'm telling.
रहमानी साहब,
Where is Gaurav Bhatia?
झांसी की रानी क्या मर्द थी? झांसी की रानी को आप क्या बोलते? क्या मर्द बनो?
नहीं, मर्द बनो कैंपेन है आपका.
खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुख सुनी हमने कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी
तो वो तो झांसी की रानी अपने बच्चे को, झांसी की रानी जब अपने छोटे बच्चे को
भूल गए फ्रेंड. मुझसे बहस मत कीजिएगा इस मामले पे. मुझसे
बहस हो, बहस हो इसमें, बहस हो,
बहस मत कीजिएगा.
कौन सा मर्द अपने बच्चे को पीठ पे लेके आज तक लड़ा है? बताइए मुझे, इतिहास में बताइए कौन सा मर्द.
माफी मांगिए.
मेरा ओपन चैलेंज है ये. मेरे ऑन योर शो आई एम गिविंग एन ओपन चैलेंज टू एनीबॉडी विद दैट माइंडसेट. कौन मर्द आज तक अपने छोटे बच्चे को पीठ पे लेके
आला उदल है?
आंसर द क्वेश्चन मिस्टर रहमानी.
आला उदल आज भी गाया जाता है.
नॉट इवन वन इन हिस्ट्री. Jhansi Ki Rani was the only woman who has fought a war with a child on her back. And you what advice, sir, you would give her before she went for the war? Mard bano. क्या बेटी तू बहादुर बन.
This is a common phrase of the country.
बेटी तू बहादुर बन. ये मर्द बनो पे सर ये sexist comment को छोड़िए. India is progressing. A woman is as brave as a man, if not braver.
You have studied.
Sir, there are instances of the bravery of
नहीं आप इशू पे आइए. नहीं आप बोल चुके हैं, बहुत ज्यादा बोला आपने आज. You spoke too much today. 1 minute. Gaurav Bhatia is also on the debate. 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia is on the debate and people are asking me why is Fuad Halim frustrated today. I am telling them that Fuad Halim party was kicked out by Congress party. They ran after Congress party for at least 6 months. They ran after Congress and they got kicked. Now I feel sad for you. I feel sad for you, but there is no option here. Anyway, Gaurav Bhatia, tell me. Gaurav Bhatia, I'll go to a serious debate. Asif Bhamla. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. If you should fly down to Delhi and you should beg them once more. You must beg. Don't worry. The Congress will campaign for you in your constituency. Don't worry, they will campaign. We know how many CPM people were killed by Congress. And despite that, you shamelessly say, over the blood of CPM workers, we will forget the blood of the CPM workers spilled, we will run behind the Vadra family. I think you must rename yourself CPIV, Communist Party of India Vadra.
Basic courtesy, let us look into
No. What is your allegiance to Robert Vadra? Tell me. What is the link between you and the Vadra family? Why are you the Vadra family? Now, Gaurav Bhatia, I'll go back to a serious debate between you and Asif Bhamla. Asif Bhamla now on the debate. On serious debates, I'll debate with you.
Speak first of all, let me tell you, I oppose the words used. I oppose the words used for the Honorable Prime Minister. Whatever said and done, these are not the words. It's atrocious, it's insulting, and it's pathetic.
No, I want to know. I want to know 1 second. No. I want to watch Asif Bhamla. Asif, wait my question. Asif, wait my question. Asif, my question. And Fuad, do you formally...
This is your survival.
Fuad wants to formally declare joining the Congress on the program. I don't know. Anyway, my question to Asif Bamla is Asif Bamla, Priyanka Gandhi is also a Namard. Sonia Gandhi is also a Namard. Indira Gandhi is also a Namard. Now, when they launch a Mard Bano campaign, since the opposition campaign is Mard Bano, right? And you saw how Fuad did not gather the courage to even respond to it once. You say Chor, Napunsak, Neech, Namard, and now you launch a Mard Bano campaign.
The MLA has given.
No, Pradeep Bhandari.
The MLA is saying Arnab.
I heard him say Mard Bano.
Why does these political
You go to the people of India and say Mard Bano?
I'm not completed, Arnab, and you've called another panelist.
No, I will tell you, this
is a campaign, Mard Bano.
This is not just about the MLA, it is about the Congress.
Chaukidar Chore, Mard Bano.
Please, Raj Bappar had made the statement where he had compared Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mother's name with the
Mahesh Sharma ka ek statement
What did Rahul Gandhi do?
Pradeep, just keep on till I talk to Arnab about this. Mahesh Sharma ka statement hai Sikandrabad mein, अगर ममता बनर्जी कथक करे और कर्नाटक का सीएम गीत गाए, पप्पू कहता है कि पीएम बनूंगा, अब तो पप्पू की पप्पी भी आ गई है. I mean, that is also wrong.
Gaurav Bhatia.
I oppose what has been said by the MLA from Karnataka, but I also oppose this. I don't know when will there be sanity amongst these political leaders. They have no common sense and shame. On national TV, they're using such language against each
Arnab,
other.
allow Asif Bamla ji, you have had your time now. Here others also.
On your plans and programs.
Please be quiet now.
Don't fall to this level. Even the way Fuad Halim addressed you, Arnab Goswami.
Okay, we heard you.
I don't think that's decent enough on national television. And I oppose that MLA.
No, Fuad is having certain issues and that those are between him and his potential partner, the Congress. I don't want to get into
my opening remark, please.
No, I object to Fuad.
Please, you have to also ensure that we get equal time. It can't be a shouting and a heckling match.
This is not the way you address an anchor on national
No, that is his problem. That he's having some issues.
What we have seen
He's
tonight,
having some issues.
The opposition parties do not have the courage to admit that the words used for the Honorable Prime Minister of the country are completely unacceptable and they are derogatory. The voters of the country are watching and they will teach a lesson to all the opposition parties, especially the Congress. Second, look at the arguments that have been presented. One person was saying that you look at the dictionary. नहीं बीच में मत बोलिए जो भी है भाई साहब थोड़ा सा सुनने की क्षमता रखिए. Let me tell you something. Rahul Gandhi is giving instructions to his leaders to use these derogatory remarks for the Prime Minister of the country. And Fuadji, don't you think this is an insult of every citizen of the country who have elected Narendra Modi ji as the leader? Why should Rahul Gandhi say that देश का प्रधानमंत्री चोर है when the Supreme Court has given a verdict on Rafale? Why should Priyanka Gandhi say Narendra Modi ji नीच इंसान है? Mani Shankar Iyer, why should he call प्रधानमंत्री a chai wala works hard with dignity to earn his livelihood? The chai wala is not like the chor Gandhi parivar. Every member of whom is out on bail. Rahul Gandhi is out on bail, Sonia Gandhi is out on bail, Robert Watra is out on bail. They have looted the country. And let me tell you, a couplet which describes Narendra Modi ji. सुनिए चिल्लाइए मत, एक तो मेरे को हैकल मत करिए. आपसे ज्यादा तेज आवाज है, मेरी सच्चाई है मेरे साथ और इसलिए आप चिल्ला. आप चुप होइए, पहले शर्म करिए. प्रधानमंत्री के साथ आप नहीं खड़े हो पाए, देश के साथ नहीं खड़े हो आए. अगर चीन के प्रधानमंत्री को क्या किया होता तो आपको आग लग गई होती. शर्म आइए, आपके घर में आईना हो, अपना चेहरा देखिएगा. I just want to say one thing to these people.
Have the courage.
दुश्मनों का मैं बड़ा एहतराम करता हूँ. मुखालफत से मेरी शख्सियत निखरती है. दुश्मनों का मैं बड़ा एहतराम करता हूँ. मुखालफत से मेरी शख्सियत निखरती है. नरेंद्र मोदी जी is a true Indian. He is a mard. He is reflection of the hard-working people of the country.
Let us discuss
You remember the Balakot airstrike? 56 इंच की छाती है देश की. He showed when he gave a free hand to the brave Indian Air Force. And we taught Pakistan a lesson. People like you, because of your hatred for Narendra Modi ji, and you have no issue left, therefore you attack him personally. Stop attacking the Prime Minister of the country personally. Stop making derogatory remarks. Stop using these kind of, I would say, crass language.
So this whole,
you are not left with an issue.
you. Anyway, listen. I actually wonder. I have 2 points to make. I have 2 points to make. The first, once again, to Fuad. I wonder what Fuad, after having prostrated before the Congress, what will Fuad tell the people in Bengal and to the CPM cadre whose sons and daughters were killed by his ally, the Congress party, after whom they have been running? I don't know how you will face the CPM cadre if you are going to be just a sellout. How will you face the CPM cadre whose sons and daughters have been killed by the Congress party? You are running behind them now. It feels, what will you tell them? No, what will you tell them? Fuad, what will you tell them? I can understand your compulsion, but what will you tell them? I wonder. And now my second point, I'll corner you nicely now, and my second point is to Taslim Rahmani. Taslim Rahmani, and to tell you the truth.
Against the Prime Minister of the country. Ask them, who's their leader? They wouldn't know.
Yeah.
They insult an honest Prime Minister of the country because he is selflessly working to build a new India. And they can't see that. They are losing their political ground. And that is why this hatred comes out.
Now I want to tell you, Taslim Rahmani.
Really, you were looking at the dictionary. I will gift you an Oxford dictionary.
Taslim Rahmani. Rahmani was debating, one minute. Rahmani was debating with Vishal some time back.
पाकिस्तान को करारा थप्पड़ मारा.
No, Rahmani said.
हर महिला के आंसू पहुंचे हैं. मर्द इसलिए है 18,000 गांव में बिजली पहुंचाई है. मर्द इसलिए है कि किसानों को MSP दिया है, सम्मान निधि दी है. मर्द इसके लिए है कि आप जैसी पार्टी डर के इकट्ठी हो गई जो कभी आप पे आग नहीं मिलाती थी. मर्द इसलिए है क्योंकि नरेंद्र मोदी जी इस देश को मजबूती देते हैं. मर्द इसलिए है क्योंकि उन्होंने युवाओं को रोजगार दिया है. मर्द इसलिए है क्योंकि उनको पता है कि कैसे देश की सेना का सम्मान करना है. 191 पेंशन दी है. मर्द इसलिए है कि बुलेट प्रूफ जैकेट लाए हैं. इसलिए नहीं कि कांग्रेस की तरह वीवीआईपी चॉपर ला रहे थे. और मर्द इसलिए है क्योंकि देश को एकजुट करके रखते हैं.
मैं तस्लीम रहमानी को कुछ कहना चाहता हूं.
वो सेना के साथ
मैं तस्लीम रहमानी को कुछ कहना चाहता हूं. उनको 1 मिनट या 1 मिनट. रहमानी, I want a vote today. रहमानी का जो क्लिप है, 1 minute या 1 minute. रहमानी's clip is there, viewers, where he says मर्द बनो. इनका मैनिफेस्टो क्या है विशाल शर्मा? मर्द बनो. And he said, झांसी वाली रानी खूब लड़ी मर्दानी. He said, he did not understand one thing. He does not understand that mardani is a term for a lady, like nar nari, mard mardani. Understood? Nar nari, mard mardani. Arey bhai, you please get your facts correct before you debate with me. Please, you think this is some takwala channel? Mard mardani like nar nari. You don't know your language also.
Basic word.
Now don't behave like Fuad Ali.
Mard is a noun.
No, don't teach me Hindi.
It's not a Hindi word.
Don't teach me Hindi. Hindi मत सिखाइए मुझे. मेरी हिंदी बहुत साफ है, आपकी नियत भी साफ नहीं है. Anyway,
नहीं है, आपकी भी साफ नहीं है. Number one and number two, whatever Gaurav Bhatia has just said,
पूरा देश आपको देख रहा है. 130 करोड़ लोग आपको देख रहे हैं. इस देश का युवक देख रहा है. You have to set an example. कि आप क्या सेक्सिस्ट कमेंट बनाते हैं? किस सदी की बात बोल रहे हैं सर? आप पढ़े लिखे इंसान हैं।
सब देख रहे हैं,
ठीक है, मर्द बनो नहीं, आपको ये कहना चाहिए बहादुर बनो।
पेटीकोट पहनवाते हैं और चूड़ियां पहनवाते हैं, पेटीकोट पहनवा के चूड़ियां पहनवाते हैं।
Apologize!
वो भी आप ही के पार्टी
माफी मांगिए।
Nonsense are you talking?
Apologize! Rahmani, apologize. You can't get away with this. Sorry, Pradeep Bhandari, apologize. I will not take this. What do you mean? What is the Pradeep Bhandari? Pradeep.
Mr. Rahmani, you are a senior man, but this is insane.
He has to apologize.
What do you mean by petticoat pehne?
This is the Mard Bano campaign of the opposition.
No, Mr. Rahmani, you need to apologize. Mr. Rahmani, you need to apologize.
What does he mean by petticoat pehna ke?
This country, as the youth of this country, you cannot set this
What do you mean by petticoat pehna ke? Apologize. Apologize. Apologize, Rahmani. The entire opposition will face an anti-vote now. आपने पहले बोला मर्द बनो, then you said petticoat पहना के apologize. आपको क्या लगता है पजामा पहन के आप हीरो बन जाते हो?
सर माफी मांग
नो यू अपोलोजाइज, माफी मांगिए, माफी मांगो, माफी मांगिए, माफी मांगिए
आपके सामने।
Gaurav Bhatia said it, I did not say it.
No, Gaurav Bhatia didn't say it. No, Gaurav Bhatia didn't use the word petticoat. Gaurav Bhatia. No, what's it? Gaurav Bhatia, Pradeep. Gaurav Bhatia, Pradeep, Taslim Rahmani.
Gaurav Bhatia said.
No.
2 days back, Gaurav Bhatia said.
No, this petticoat phrase is being used by you.
Spokesperson. अभी 2 दिन पहले बोला. Ask him. Shall I show you? Shall I show you where Gaurav Bhatia said?
Arnab, please.
Ask him to apologize.
You know, Arnab.
And now he's trying to prove. And now he's trying to prove
Taslim Rahmani is trying to divert the debate. Tonight he is insulting every Indian.
No, I'm not
and you know the problem with these people is they only want to divide the nation's few venom and disrespect the elected Prime Minister of the country. Would you have the courage to condemn Rahul Gandhi when Rahul Gandhi, you know, says Pradhan Mantri chor hai? Supreme Court has given a verdict. Why is Rahul Gandhi using such derogatory language? And it is under his instructions that his leaders like Mani Shankar Iyer, his leaders in the, you know, other states are also using derogatory language. Is this not a sexist remark? Is this not a sexist remark?
2 people of the country
आप मुझे बताइए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी जितना मेहनत करते हैं, people like you cannot even, you know, work that hard, and still you people come out without an agenda to target him personally. Is this the level of politics that you will do?
I want to again, many people. I want to remind once again as I end here now. You know, Fuad, around the time you were born, the CPM, you know, I just want to ask you, you know, the silence of Fuad Halim on this debate denotes the sellout of the CPM. The CPIM should be called the Communist Party of India, Vadra. And my question to you is, Fuad, that do you know how many CPM cadre were killed by the Congress? Do you know the brutalities? Why don't you want to talk about the Congress party? You get very worried if I mention Congress. Why don't you want to mention the Congress party, Fuad? How many people were killed? How many CPM cadre were killed by the Congress party? How many CPM cadre were brutalized by the Congress party? Do you ever think that when you run behind the Congress party utterly shamelessly? No, but do you not? No, you tell me. You know, Fuad did not say a word in this debate. Fuad did not say a word in this debate. No, one second. Fuad did not say a word in this debate. Somebody said, somebody used this sexist language. Fuad did not speak once. Somebody abused women, Fuad did not speak once. Somebody said Mard Bano, Fuad did not speak once. Somebody used the word petticoat and abused all women out there. Fuad did not speak once. Fuad is so beholden to the Congress party and its allies that he will take everything possible. I think you will even support forced sterilization. I gave you half an hour to answer, Fuad. I wonder, please go back and ask your conscience. How can you go so far? How can you go so far? And on that point, viewers, I'll close this debate. Now we are on to debate number 3 tonight, viewers.